1995 British Isles heat wave. The 1995 British Isles heat wave occurred between late July and late August. It was part of one of the warmest summers recorded in the UK and one of the warmest Augusts ever recorded in many locations around the UK, as well as being one of the driest summers ever recorded in the UK. Many weather stations recorded the summer of 1995 as drier than or comparable with the summer of 1976. Ireland was also widely affected by the heatwave, with temperatures reaching over 30 deg C 86 deg F in some locations, as well as exceptionally low rainfall throughout the summer. United Kingdom. In the United Kingdom, the heat wave of 1995 currently marks the warmest August on record and the third warmest summer overall, behind 1976 and 1826. The CT Central England station recorded a daily mean temperature of 19.2 deg C 66.6 deg F and a mean daily maximum temperature of 25.1 deg C 77.2, and a daily mean temperature of 17.37 deg C 63.27 deg F for the entire summer. Before the heatwave formed, a mini heatwave occurred between 28 and 30 June, with the highest temperature recorded during this short period of 33.8 deg C 92.8 deg F recorded on 30 June 1995 at Barbourne, Worcester. Low rainfall was also widely recorded around the nation during the month of June, many stations reporting less than 50% of its average rainfall, with some locations reporting less than 20%. July 1995 then continued the hot weather, with an average daily temperature of 18.6 deg C 65.5 deg F, meaning that it is the seventh warmest July in the CT records back to 1659. It was very dry too, with most places recording less than 30% of average rainfall. Days frequently reached above 30 deg C 86 deg F, culminating at 33 deg C 91 deg F on the 31st. Higher temperatures were recorded in August, though. During the heat wave, many locations around the UK recorded peak temperatures at the start of August. The highest temperature recorded during the heat wave was 35.2 deg C 95.4 deg F recorded on 1 August 1995 at Boxworth, Cambridgeshire. After this, most of the United Kingdom was still under warm temperatures around or above 25 deg C 77 deg F, until temperatures rose again as high as 33.8 deg C 92.8 deg F, which was recorded at Barbourne, Worcester. Toward the end of the hot spell, temperatures rose up to 30 deg C 86 deg F in many parts of the country. Cheltenham in Gloucestershire recorded 3 consecutive days above 32 deg C 90 deg F from 20 to 22 August, with the highest temperature at 33.6 deg C 92.5 deg F on 22 August. Much of the United Kingdom suffered drought conditions during August, with most parts of the UK recording less than 30% of its average rainfall, and most parts of England less than 20%. Many weather stations around the United Kingdom recorded no days of rain to the value of equals 1.0 mm. Aftermath. After the heat wave ended in August, the east and south of the United Kingdom received high rainfall in September, but another dry spell occurred mainly in the east of the UK. For the rest of 1995, most of the UK received below-average rainfall. Temperatures after the heatwave remained around average for the rest of the year, except for a record-breaking cold spell from Christmas to New Year. Ireland. While temperatures were lower, Ireland experienced a similar weather pattern to that of the United Kingdom during the summer of 1995. The Valentia Observatory and the weather station at Phoenix Park both recorded a daily mean temperature of 16.6 deg C 61.9 deg F, and it was the warmest summer for over a century. Kilkenny recorded a total of 27 days with temperatures over 25 deg C 77 deg F during the heat wave, compared to the 2.5 days that the town usually records, and was one of the hottest parts of the country during the heat wave, recording a maximum temperature of 30.8 deg C 87.4 deg F. Like the United Kingdom, Ireland received exceptionally low rainfall, and it was the driest summer on record for the weather stations at Malin Head, Casement Aerodrome, and Cork Airport. The overall rainfall recorded during the summer at Phoenix Park was only 65.1 millimeters, 2.56 in. The highest temperature recorded during the heatwave was 31.5 deg C 88.7 deg F and was measured at Oak Park in County Carlow on 2 August. It is currently Ireland's hottest August temperature reading, equaling the measurement at Ballabrittis in County Laois on 3 August 1975. Impacts. Like the United Kingdom, Ireland experienced drought conditions throughout the summer, which caused problems to potato farmers in rural areas as they had difficulty watering crops due to water shortages. Several areas around Ireland were also issued with hosepipe bans, and residents were asked not to hose lawns due to drought conditions. References